Well, last night, Wade decided to do this to his old 9870. Pretty known for having enough horsepower to ram shit through the rotor. Get back to that discharge beater, and if things aren't quite right, she plugs up tight. Not a lot of fun. Well, years ago, I had trouble with this, so I came up with a way to unplug it. Probably lots of ways, but this is the quickest one I found. It involves a Nut Buddy torque multiplier, for the 9870. The S series combines are different. For the 9870, it's a, what the hell size is it? 2 13/16 socket that fits on the discharge beater. Put the Nut Buddy on here. Then what you have to do is you have to hold that Nut Buddy from turning. Which on a truck, if you're trying to take wheels loose, that just hits the next lug nut. Or on this, that's where this apparatus comes into play that I made. That goes down, hits on that rear axle. And you turn on this, and what I usually do is back it up, depending on how far it's through. Usually back that up, and then might have to kick the rotor in a couple times, get it to turn. Keep digging it out, but it's way the hell easier than trying to just use a ratchet or something back here, or digging it out one piece at a time with a plier. So we get set up and we'll be back.